Congress's Bengal face, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, has come out and admitted of what led to the defeat of Congress and its alliance in the recently conducted West Bengal elections. Equations have changed, admits Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. He says that Muslims voted en masse for the TMC because they saw Mamata Banerjee as a savior. Listen in to that admission coming in from the Congress MP.
बीजेपी पार्टी ममता बनर्जी के साथ लड़ने के लिए सारे हिंदुस्तान की सारे उनकी ताकतों को बंगाल की घाटी में उतार दिए थे, लेकिन वो पूरी तरह से व्यर्थ हो चुकी हैं, विफल हो चुकी हैं, नाकामयाब हो चुकी हैं। लेकिन इसमें खामियाजा भुगतने पड़े कांग्रेस पार्टी को, क्योंकि ध्रुवीकरण के चलते बीजेपी पार्टी को कुछ नापा हुई। सबसे ज़्यादा ध्रुवीकरण के चलते ममता बनर्जी की लाभ हुई। बंगाल के जो माइनॉरिटी पॉपुलेशन है, ये माइनॉरिटी पॉपुलेशन खासकर ये महसूस किया था कि मोदी जैसे और बीजेपी जैसे सांप्रदायिक ताकतों को हराने के लिए अगर कोई कामगर होगी तो वो टीएमसी पार्टी और ममता बनर्जी। इसीलिए ममता बनर्जी अच्छी है बुरी है बात नहीं थी, लेकिन ममता बनर्जी को वोट देने से सांप्रदायिक ताकत बीजेपी हारेगी। इसी में बंगाल के जो माइनॉरिटी पॉपुलेशन है, ये माइनॉरिटी पॉपुलेशन अपना निर्णय ले लिया था और उसके बदौलत आज इस तरीके की सत्तारूढ़ टीएमसी को भारी बहुमत से दोबारा आने का मौका मिला।
Shreshi is with us for more on this. Shreshi, good morning to you. This big political controversy that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has now triggered goes on to show that the tie-up with ISF actually hurt the Congress party. They hoped that minorities or the Muslim vote bank, which the Congress prided itself on as a traditional vote bank for them, that also seems to have been hurt because of the ISF alliance. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary there coming out and saying that Muslims voted for the TMC because they saw Mamata Banerjee as a savior of sorts.
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, while speaking to us yesterday, has also said that Congress party was never in an alliance with the ISF. That was a big admission coming in from Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, despite the fact that we know the Sayukta Morcha consisted of the CPIM, Congress and ISF, but Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary dismissing the fact that they were ever in talks with ISF, and also shifting the blame on the Trinamool Congress for their poll drubbing by saying that all the minority vote went to the TMC because of the kind of campaign BJP held here in West Bengal, assuring people about CAA and NRC is something that was extremely contentious over here in the state of West Bengal, and that hurt the vote bank for the Congress. But at the same time, he has also said that the entire election process here in West Bengal was polarized by the Trinamool Congress and the BJP.
Absolutely. The political controversy there that has now been triggered by the Congress. Do keep a track of how the TMC and the BJP responds to this. For the moment, Shreshi, thank you so much for getting us those details.